What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to talk a little bit about the car and what actually happened to it. Wait, let me start my car real quick. So it's probably been around 2 weeks. I haven't made a video. So basically what happened was I took it to my tuner and he looked at the car, looked at everything. The turbo's leaking. What else? The hose kept coming off. That's why I was having a boost leak. The clutch is going. So basically what I'm going to do is what I wanted to do next year in the spring, but I'm gonna do it now. So I'm just gonna semi-build the WRX to make more power, basically, because if I'm gonna put a new turbo in and new clutch, I figured I might just spend the money and just get everything done. So even if I do produce more power, I won't have to worry about the engine blowing up. And so I just bought a bunch of stuff for it. It should be in within the next couple days or so. And yeah, so I bought some good stuff. So this is gonna be making at least, don't hold me to it, maybe 100 more horsepower than what it is right now. But I got a couple plans for the car. It's gonna be real nice. So when the parts come in, I'll make another video showing the parts I bought. Some of them, they were on sale. I was surprised. And some of them that, you know, I had to buy a lot of them brand new, which I'm not really used to doing that, because when I have more time to look for stuff, I usually try to get some of them used just to save some money, because, you know, everything I do is on a budget. But I just decided to go brand new everything, except for one thing, which I will show y'all when it comes in. Everything I bought off eBay, but they're brand name, you know, brand name products. But there's one thing I got off eBay. It's basically from a guy who, you know, does it quite often. Sold over 2,000 of these things, and so he had good reviews. So I bought something special off of him, and yeah. So today I haven't drove it in probably a week and a half or so. So today I just started it up. I'm going to drive it to work, which is only a mile away, and it shouldn't cause no real harm to it, but we'll see. So I'm a little disappointed because I was going to race the SRT4, which is going to be on hold until I get everything done. But the guy who owns that, he's doing some stuff. He's trying to make more power. So once we get our cars situated, it's going to be a good video. It's going to be a good race. I know mine's going to be him, but I want to give him the benefit of the doubt and maybe boost his morale altogether. But but yeah, whatever. So I'll catch y'all in the next video. Soon as the parts come in, I'll show y'all basically what the build will be, and y'all will see, you know, the cost of everything I bought so far and what it is and what it would cost to build 400 plus horsepower WRX, and I will include everything I already have on it. And yeah, so as usual, wrench daily and be safe. I'll catch you on the next video.